Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallet address in Tonkeeper. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to change the address. So let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface in the app. In this page, you can see the wallet option at the top. Tap on it. You will see all the wallets connected with your account over here. Now select the wallets whose address you want to change. After you select the wallets, now in order to change the wallet address, you need to go to the settings first. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now if you scroll down, here you can see the address update option. Tap on it. After you select this option, here you can see your old address and your new address. So your old wallet address is now changed and you have a new address for your wallet. You can easily tap on the address and the address will be copied. So you can use this address for your transaction. So that's it. That's how you can change your wallet address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.